Captain Albert H. Johnson was very instrumental to Monrovia's development. Johnson moved with his family from Fort Dodge, Iowa. He began constructing a home on the corner of current Alta Vista and Hillcrest Streets, but moved it to 210 West Colorado, or Orange Avenue at the time, in 1889. Albert became very successful in Monrovia. He had a large citrus ranch. He was director of the Monrovia Building and Loan Association, and then both the First National Bank and the Monrovia Savings Bank. In 1903, he even became president of Monrovia Board of Trustees, which is equal to the mayor's position. Johnson is most notable, however, for his aid in the establishment of Library Park, which is very near here. Although the Johnsons had success, their life was also filled with tragedy. Captain Johnson and his wife, Lavinia, had 4 children, but only one survived past childhood, which was their daughter, Alberta. Alberta was a lovely and gifted young woman who graduated from Monrovia High School. Shortly afterwards, in 1898, she also died in the upstairs bedroom of this house. Some say her spirit haunts the house on occasion. Albert and Lavinia never fully recovered from the loss of their children. Thanks for visiting Captain Johnson's home. If you follow the suggested order, this was the last stop on the tour. If you aren't done yet, you can go on to East Lemon to stop number 5, or go the other way and up to Foothill to the Aztec Hotel, which is stop number 1.